In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Ads budgets correctly. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to maximize their advertising effectiveness while keeping costs in check. Understanding how to manage your Google Ads budget properly can make a significant difference in the performance of your campaigns, ensuring you reach the right customers and get the most out of your marketing spend. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, if you haven't already signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in button typically found in the upper right corner. Enter your account credentials and you'll be greeted by the Google Ads home interface. Now that you're on the Google Ads homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see various tabs and tools, each designed to help you manage different aspects of your campaigns. For us though, we'll be heading to the Tools section, crucial for deeper campaign management. On the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find a wrench icon. That's where the Tools section resides. Click on that icon and you'll see a drop-down menu with different options. Navigate your way to the Budgets and Bidding section. This area is key as it houses all settings related to how you allocate funds to your campaigns and how those funds are managed and utilized through bidding strategies. Once inside the Budgets and Bidding section, your next stop is the Shared Budgets option. This may seem a bit technical at first, but it's a powerful way to manage how much you're spending across multiple campaigns. Shared budgets allow you to set one fixed budget cap that multiple campaigns can draw from. This means if one campaign doesn't fully use its potential, another can use the remaining budget to maximize exposure and clicks. In the shared budget section, you have the chance to create a budget that can be shared across campaigns. This feature is excellent for those managing multiple marketing initiatives simultaneously, offering an efficient way of ensuring that all your funds are being used effectively, avoiding underspending in certain areas while overextending in others. By following these steps, you've successfully set your Google Ads budgets correctly. Remember, the aim of careful budget management is to optimize your reach and efficiency. Tweaking and revisiting your settings periodically to align with your campaign's performance and goals is always a wise choice. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Ads campaigns with confidence. Happy advertising!